Alrighty, so let's try a little change of pace since we got a lot of free time on our hands. So I've got right here the Dino Riders Hotwheel. It's a Furo, or it's based on a Furo. So yeah, we're gonna be modifying this to look like my Furo. So I picked up this one because the wheels are kind of similar to what's on my Furo. So hopefully those will work. That was this guy. Yeah, so first things first, we gotta take this thing apart. So should just have to drill out that and that to get that rivet out. And yeah, I guess we'll see what happens after that. Alright, so pulled all these apart. I'm definitely gonna have to find another one that has the same wheelbase because these are not the same, and it's also not wide enough, but they should be good enough for wheels, I think. So now just gotta shave off like this stuff, get everything smooth. It's not gonna have like a clear window, we'll just have to paint that black. And then so we gotta fill in this hood and cut off the spoiler. Probably just gotta chop off down here to make it nice and level, like my tail panel. Then we gotta cut the spoiler off and probably notch out some of this. Then we'll have to design up a thing in here. I kind of want to do like so you can like see the motor and stuff, but I just don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. So I was looking and trying to find, you know, something that was like similar to a motor that I could just put in there, but wasn't really able to find anything. We'll probably be using this stuff to make all this stuff, so should be pretty neat. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up. So gotta get rid of all those rivets and all that good stuff. I'm also gonna have to like drill some holes into the rear quarters so I can design those as well. So should be fun. Alrighty, so got it pretty well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just strip all the paint off of it. I'm gonna use this stuff because Paul had it laying around, so should work pretty good. So let's do that. Alright, got the paint stripped. I'll have to do it again on the front here before I start messing with the front. But so now I'm gonna probably try and knock out the roof scoop, get the windshield filled, get that filled. Actually I'm gonna have to probably do this too, I guess. So I guess let's do that. Alright, there it is. It's all kind of just roughed in right now. Kind of just filled all that in. I don't really care all too much about the bottom being filled in. We can cut out if we need to. So yeah, we may end up just like filling it and just put the axles in there. I'm not sure how I'm gonna, because these are not wide enough and I don't know how to redo these. So I might just like cut the axle in half and just put some of this in there and shove it in there. Guess we'll see. But yeah, now we wait for this to dry. Gotta wait like an hour, so let's wait. Alright, so far this is what we got. Got the front pretty well done. The inside's real ugly, but luckily I guess we really won't see that. And I'm working on getting these quarter panels done. I'm gonna probably drill them out so that way they go through in, and we'll put some stuff on the back and probably shape them up a little bit more. Same thing with this one. And yeah, so far so good. I'm 3D printing a bottom. See if we can get something to work, and then we'll use this one. We'll use these wheels. We'll cut them. We'll cut these axles in half and then stick them in. I guess we'll do it that way. So should look pretty nice. So, but yeah, let's keep going. Hopefully it's not a big deal that you guys didn't see me do it. I'm in my pajamas, so no one wants to see me without a shirt. So, but yeah, we'll keep going. I have no idea what I'm going to do about the back, so, but yeah, we'll get there when we get there. Alrighty, so here's how we're sitting so far. So I went ahead and just 3D printed a bottom here. Works pretty good. So obviously I'm gonna probably print another one. I'm gonna move the holes up so we can, especially in the front, the hole's gonna have to go up, and then we'll have to move it up even more than we got in the back. because obviously this tire is larger than the front. If they were built the same, that'd have been great, but they weren't. So, yeah. And then I'm also going to make this straight. Same thing with the front, like it would be stock. We'll eventually chop off right below there, just like my car. And then the front I'll probably square up a little bit too. And so yeah, so we'll just work on a little bit of fitment. I got this nice little edge down here. Let's see here, one sec. So this is literally just what I had made. Nothing real crazy. Just did some measurements and too easy, and then it pressure fits right into there. So let's go ahead and make all those modifications I just talked about. Gotten everything pretty decent. And then I'm also going to probably pack some on the back of here so we can get that carved out. So let's do that. Alrighty, so got the first layer of paint on there. And yeah, looks alright. And that dry. So I printed out this next version. Try playing with the wheel gap or like the wheel distance. I think I got everything pretty well adjusted for the ride height. And then I added this little thing back there for the brush or the bash bar that's on my Furo. So I'm pretty sure I'm probably gonna, as soon as like that's done, then I'm gonna probably start designing like something for the motor that we can just press up in there, and then the motor will just be on here or something. I think that just might be the easiest thing to do. So probably gonna go ahead and try and knock that out now. So let's do that. Alrighty, so went ahead and painted it by hand. It's not the greatest, but let's be honest here, it's a Hot Wheel toy. It looks pretty cool. Like I mean, you get the point. It's definitely cool. So now we just gotta wait for the last, well, actually I've already 3D printed it. It's right here, it's already put together. So I'm just waiting for this thing to dry. My ass is impatient, so I'll probably go grab the heat gun. Probably heat gun it a little bit. So, yep, now we wait. Alrighty, so went ahead and designed up this little guy. So it should sit perfectly in there, hopefully. So I've got it printed right now. Then we'll put it in there, and I also fixed some of the, it's a little too slammed in the front here, so hopefully I'll have that fixed and we'll be good to go, because right now the front's just locked up. Well, they're all kind of locked up, but I don't expect it to roll. So, but yeah, looks pretty cool. Alrighty, so it has an engine now. Nothing too crazy, but it gets the job done. Looks a lot more complete, so pretty sweet. I can sit up there. So, I guess we'll end it there. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.